Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional freelancer portfolio using Canva. So first go ahead and open up the canva.com and log into your account. Then navigate to the templates section. Then click on portfolio. So on here you'll see tons of templates like graphics design, writing, marketing or photography portfolios. Pick the one that matches your work and click on it. Now you can start editing the template by adding your name, a short bio or intro, and skills or services that you provide. Then add sections like work samples or projects, client testimonials, and your contact information. You can also upload your actual work, images, links, PDFs, and drop them into the design. Once you're done, click share at the top right. Then hit the publish as website to create a portfolio link, or you can also click download to save it as a PDF and send it to clients. And that's it guys. If you like the video, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.